When it's bug season, you need Katchy. Okay, that's really gross. I know, it's disgusting. And I have it open just so I can show you what happens. So Katchy has this sticky paper here, and it lasts a really long time. You don't have to replace it. It does come with replacements, but we actually barely ever have to replace ours. Snaps into place, and then it just sits wherever you want it in your home. For us, it's on our kegerator because kombucha tends to attract a lot of fruit flies, but you saw some mosquitoes and things in there too. There's two different modes. There's a manual, and then there's an automatic mode, which when it's dark out, it turns on. That blue light helps attract them. There's kind of a fan that brings the bugs in, and then once they get in, they get caught on the Katchy paper. So it works really, really well. It just plugs right into the wall, and it's pretty quiet, as you can hear. We keep ours on automatic mode, and it's fabulous. So if you need something for bugs, especially if you have kombucha, definitely get Katchy.